got something cool. Look at this. And look, I wiped off the top of it. It's the United States Army, I think. It says US on it. And I don't think there's any doubt that that's silver. Wow. United States Army. It's even stamped up there, US. Look at that, folks. Right in there. Raked it right out. Well, anyway, later, I'll show you pictures. Alright, you can see what I'm doing back in there. I'm finding some brown medicines, and that one's cork. It's kind of nice. But I got a little man. It's a little copper, probably off a kid's car play set. It's an old one and it's perfect. I'll get it cleaned up later. Oh my Lord, folks. Oh my Lord. I don't know what this says, but it's a blue lettered little crock. I just raked it right out back in here. Real close to where I found the other one the other day. And this is the nicest one I found, if this is whole. It's about as long as my hand. Look at this, folks. Oh, folks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me get this. Oh man. Folks, this is probably $1,000 crock. Oh, it's just flawless condition. It's small and it made it. Folks, this is the best, probably the best find in the dump. Oh my goodness. I think it says G.Hyer. H-Y-E-R. Well, I'm gonna get back. I clean this off. I about crapped in my pants when I saw this. I had to wait 5 minutes before I even turned on the camera. Oh, this is just a beautiful piece. I don't know what the town, but it says a higher rate on it. This is just a rare piece, I can tell you. Later. This is almost as good as the Clovis. You see what this says? Baresville. B-A-R-E-S-V-I-L-L-E. This is an extremely rare crock. Baresville is now known as Hannibal, Ohio. It's not even the same town name anymore. Oh my goodness. G.Hyer something, dry goods, groceries, Baresville, Ohio. Oh folks, this is probably worth $2,000. It's probably a $2,500 crock, and that's just being even on the low end. You won't see, type this into eBay or something, you won't see one sold in years, and it's just perfect condition. There's not a crack or a chip out of it anywhere. It's a $2,000 crock. Well folks, I hit the jackpot today. This is going right. I won't be getting rid of it. I'll have this till the day I die. This is just an awesome crock. It's just best of the best. Later. Look at this little guy. It's like a little soldier man. But you can see I'm still finding marbles. There's a couple in there I haven't shown. A blue cat eye and another one. But I like them little toys, but didn't compare to that G.Hyer Baresville crock. Alright folks, I'm on fire. Later. I'm in a good pocket back here. Check out this marble right here. Let me get it wiped off here real quick. Boy, it's beautiful. It's baby blue, clear base, with real tight white lines all over the outside. That's a nice one. Really pretty. Later. Finding marbles consistently, but I gotta film this one. Man, this is a big, nice one. Look at this big bad boy. It's nice. Later. There we go. Got that sunspot. I got that big green It's embossed. It's some kind of old city that says Party Pack on it, but I just got an old Coke, and it's gonna be perfect. Let's see what the town name is. You can see I'm just soaked. This is filthy work. Oh, I think this is a Steubenville one, and I don't have it. I do not have this one. See, this is going right in my collection. Yep, Steubenville O. Don't have it, and it's perfect. Alright, a Steubenville Coke. Needed that one. I've only found broken ones. Heck yes. Later. Oh man, pocket watches 2 days in a row. Here's another one. Another pocket watch. This one's all corroded up, but that's what it is. See the winder on the top? Jeez. One in my parents' yard, now one in the dump. I found them here before, but not often. Another watch. Later. Look at all these old kid stencils. I might take him, just, probably not, but maybe. You can see there's more stuff there, spoon and bottles, and there's 3 Masons. But I just got a real nice marble in this beautiful green colored glass. I've got a whole pocket full of them already. I'm really on to them. Look at that. It's real deep green with a white patch, and it's got real tight lines in that patch. That's nice. I've found at least 25 nice ones already. I haven't been showing them, but I'll show the nicer ones later. Alright, I'm working back in here, and I think I just got one of them real old Masons, them real awesome ones. It was deep. Let's see. Alright, I did. Like that one I showed at the end of the last video. Atlas Mason's patent. And it's light blue glass, and it's just absolutely perfect. Alright, I love these. It'll have bubbled glass. Yeah, look at the bubbles in it there. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. That's a day maker for me, but you know, I got a year maker today in that crock. You see, I found lots of Masons. But that's going right in the bag. Right with my blue lettered awesome Baresville, Ohio crock. Alright. Later, fix. Alright, I just raked out another Coke. Let's see what it is. Look at me, I'm filthy. Sistersville, West Virginia. Perfect condition. Nice find. Let's see here. Found this big milk, but it's like a textured bottle, but it ain't saying nothing on it, which is a shame. I might take it. Found this big prescription bottle. It's still got the original cap on it, and it's got numbers all over it. Probably a big cough medicine or something. Got this big bottle. I don't even remember what it says. C.C. Hiberling Co., Bloomington, Illinois. I've found this bottle before, but I don't have this exact one, so we're taking that for sure. Found this, and it's definitely a silver fork. It's either silver plate. Well, I think it's just silver. It feels like it. Look how shiny it is. I'm almost positive it's silver. Got this unique cork top. That's an old one. Don't know what it is, but that's it for right now. I'm still digging. Later. Well, I'm having a pretty good day for old cakes. Look here. Beauty. See what it is. It's most of them are Sistersville from here. Yep, it's Sistersville, West Virginia. But it's the larger letters. And it's absolutely perfect. There's no chips or crack, and that's really pretty glass. Later, fix. Alright, I got another awesome find right here. It's a little... There, it popped out. Little old antique shot glass. I have several of these, and I love them. That's nice. Later. Yeah, I just raked out. Yeah, let me wipe this off. It's so humid today. Here we go. Got another one of these 7-Ups with the lady with the full piece bathing suit on. It's Columbus, Ohio. It's a nice one. I'm gonna take it. Man, I just got an outstanding marble. It's an acro agate corkscrew, and it's just beautiful. It's right here. I knew. Oh man, this is nice. Oh, it's like a Popeye, maybe, I don't know, but hold on. Let me wipe this off. It's just flawless condition too. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Look at that. Clear base. The corkscrew goes all the way around it. Oh, that's a beautiful marble. That's beautiful, folks. Oh, that's nice. Well, anyway, later. Just raked out another smoker of a marble. It's right here. Oh man, this is an acro I'm pretty sure, and it's just, oh, it's amazing. Oh, it's amazing. Look at this marble. Clear base, just beautiful colors. Oh wow, this is nice. And it's like in between a regular marble and a shooter. Oh, this is nice. This is just a showstopper. Look at this. Oh folks, wow, that's a valuable marble. Well, anyway folks, later. Alright, well, I got another thing worthy of filming. I'm not going to stay too much longer because, as you know, if you've been watching my channel, I have a baby squirrel I've had for about a week, and he opened his eyes yesterday. You can go back in my videos and see him, but look here folks, a blue mason. Just raked it out back in there. Alright, it's a ball. You can date them with that chart I've put in other videos. You can see it's just up to an L there, but man, it's flawless. And it's blue, a blue ball. It says number 1 on the bottom. Wow, I love it. And I found this shot glass, but it's got a chip out of it. That would have been a nice one. I find a lot of them. A lot of them are broke, but man, that's a nice find. But man, that crock I found, I can't even believe it. I'm still just ecstatic. Later. Man, I haven't even taken that to my bag yet, and look at this. Just raked out another one. Look, it's still got the seal up, same kind. Ah. Oh, but it's nice. Number 4 on the bottom of this one. Look at that. Beautiful old blue ball mason. I'll put up that chart so we can see what age them are. It's old, you know, it's over 70 years old, I would guess. But anyway, later. Bag full of stuff. Look at all them marbles in there. I just got some awesome ones. I'll clean them up and show you. Got that awesome crock, and that's thousands of dollars. Baresville, Ohio. It's from a grocery store, and it's just flawless. I'm gonna wrap it up and get out of here. I gotta go take care of the baby squirrel. Later folks. You can look around here. There's just stuff everywhere. Well, anyway folks, later. Alright, I'm home, and I got this all cleaned up, and this is like a find of the year edition. This is find of the decade, because you won't see this crock. Baresville, Ohio. Baresville. It's not even called that anymore. They changed the name. I'll put up information on the town and all that. But it says G.Hyer's dealer in dry goods, groceries, and then it says Baresville, Ohio, and it's absolutely flawless. I left some of that metal stain on it, but there's not a crack or a chip in it anywhere. And this is worth thousands of dollars to a crock collector. This is like a Cadillac of crocks. Oh, this is nice. I'm taking it to my mom and give it to her for her collection. She's gonna go ballistic. Ballistic. Wow, this is just, I can't even believe it. Look how nice and little it is. Who knows? It probably had peaches in it, or canned apples, or maybe butter or lard, who knows. But this is an early pre-1900 crock. It's just, oh, it's nice. It's got a guy's name on it, end of town, and it's from an old grocery store. There's not many of these left folks. You won't see anybody find another one of these. This is a once in a lifetime type deal right here. Those Hamilton and Jones crocks are more common. This is extremely rare. Extremely rare. Wow. I about pooped myself when I found it. Almost. But I got some other good stuff too today. I can only stay so long, or I'd still be there, because I had to come home and feed Squirrel Man. He just drank a whole bottle in seconds. He was hungry. Well, anyway folks, I'm glad I could bring you along on this one. It's a beautiful piece of Ohio Valley history. Later.